Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add blank lines in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add blank lines in this document. Firstly, write some text. Then go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Then choose the Line tool. Then draw the line, press Shift on our keyboard. Then click the Line tool and go to the Shape Format menu. Then choose the Shape Outline and change the color black. Then again go back the Shape Outline and go to the Wide option. Then increase the white. Then feed the line on the text. Then copy the line, click right button on our mouse and paste. Then set another text. Then again apply this process. Then go to the first line and increase the line. Make the all lines same. Now we can see we added blank lines in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.